Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to app without payment method on iPhone iPad. So guys, you can easily fix this problem. So let's start without wasting any time. So first of all, tap on App Store and tap on profile icon and tap on your Apple ID and tap on country region. Now tap on change country or region and tap on agree and tap on none. Scroll it down, type your tap your city, tap your country and tap your mobile number and tap on next. And after this, go back. After doing all steps, your problem will be fixed. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.